Hello friends, greetings to you all. CHINAPLAS 2024, the International Rubber and Plastics Exhibition is going to open soon. In recent years, Yizumi has been focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of advanced intelligent equipment molding solutions. Yizumi has also promoted the application of information technology to find innovative solutions for the digital transformation of rubber parts for the industry. At CHINAPLAS 2024, Yizumi Rubber Machinery will demonstrate its high-end machines and total turnkey solutions to integrate intelligent and simple cutting-edge technologies and products of the rubber injection to everyone. Through the concept of modularity to make technological innovation of equipment and modular design, Yizumi Rubber Machinery enables global customers from energy, automotive, building materials, and other industries to get tailor-made, intelligent, and more cost-effective solutions with just simple selections. In the future, Yizumi will focus on the three key directions: intelligent and efficient, global operation, and green development. On the basis of Think Tech Forward, we look forward to working with our customers around the globe to cope with challenges and grasp development opportunities with better solutions and services. From 23rd to 26th April, we'd like to invite you to come to Shanghai to witness Yizumi's Think Tech Forward, and we look forward to seeing you there.